Now we have to see the different team building activities. What are the different team building activities? So in the last session we have seen what is team building, introduction of team building, definition of team building, relevance, importance and different stages of team building. Afterwards the characteristics of team building, all these things we have seen. Okay, now what are the team building activities? So now the many activities, there are many activities are there in the organization, but the team building activities are really, it is interesting and fun oriented, and also it is object oriented, okay, or goal oriented. So these activities are really, what happens, it is related to our goal. It is, these activities are very comfortable and successful, and it increases positive attitude towards the employees in the workplace, and it creates good environment in the small and large scale industries. Next is activities are, first one, game possibilities. Game possibilities there. Okay, how many minutes is 5 minutes, 5 to 6 minutes. Number of participants, one or many number of participants. Yeah, any one object is object ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. The time for the that is, this game is 5 minutes. And what is that what is the activity of this game is, or this game is what we have to talk about. Any talk about or demonstrate this 5 objectives. ಈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇದ್ದು ಬಂದು, one person from the team, they have to come and see the object and he has to demonstrate the ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂದರೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಡಮ್ ಶರಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದು ಏನು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಂತ ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬೇರೆಯವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಗೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದು. The demonstrator, he cannot speak and he must be original and wake of ideas. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು act what is the objective they have in their hand. Okay, it is called as what, the game of possibilities. Next is newspaper fashion show. Newspaper fashion show in the sense is, it is nothing but what they have to make a small it can be done in the classroom, and a good number of participants are required. So what they have to do is, in each team 6 to 8 they have to supply newspaper, scissors and tape ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ಡಾಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಾದರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್, ಒನ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಮ್, ಸ್ಟೇಪ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಸರ್ಸ್, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮಾಡೆಲನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶೋ. Newspaper fashion. Next is Shark Tank. Shark Tank, it is nothing but it is a time management, it creative thinking management. It is done in the classroom. That is, each member come up with the product and brand name or logo. Marketing strategy, it is a marketing strategy. ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು, they have to create one product and give the name of the product and give the name of the product and give the brand name of the product and how it is using. All these things, the marketing strategy, they have to use it. It is called as what, Shark Tank. Next is pipeline. Pipeline is a it is nothing but it is rolling in the ball or a finish without touching the floor. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ PVC pipe given, use the tape and power. Okay, a 5 minutes planning each strategies. They have to support the marble and group and fall to the floor and must start over. They helps to promote problem solving, communication and cooperation. So what is this in the sense? It is rolling in the marble or a ball and start line to finish the line. ಒಂದು ಲೈನಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ ತನಕ ಅದನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. PVC pipe and it is called as what, pipeline. Next is classifying the objective. Classifying the objective in the sense, there are different number of ತುಂಬ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, minimum 25 objects are required and the team members, they have to see the see the 1 minute or 30 seconds they have to see the object, and they have to make a categories of object. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದು. The team members must categorize the object and price of the paper. In the piece of the paper, no obvious connections. Whenever the time is up, the participants in each group present the list and explain the each. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು tell about what are the objects was there in the particular place. It is called classifying object. Next, Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder, it is work together, work to develop a great things and makes a think critically, mistakes and success. It is give team assignment. It is the largest bridge to okay and it is an assignment. Waste bottle in the straw ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as what Bob the Builder. Next is story time. Story time, giving any object and that object, if in the group 7 members are there, they start with one object and they storytelling, and 1 minute one person will tell the story and continuation the other person will tell, like that the 8th person he has to complete the story according to that. So it is called as what? Story time. That means in a group 8 members are there. In each group one object is given. The first person he starts telling story with the object, and the end of the person he has to complete the story. It is called as what? Storytelling. Go on chair. Go on the chair. It is every member provide a chair for every, then all the chair lined up in one single line. Every member stands on the chair. Now the leader has to go stand in the certain order. Example, I want to organize yourself and old and young. Okay, so one line of chairs they put, and they give different questions there. Okay, so in the group boys and girls are there. So what they will give? Stand one boys, stand in line boys only ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಒನ್ಲಿ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಒನ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್, ಒನ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಗರ್ಲ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ within a fraction of time. It is called as what? Get on the chair. Okay, so it is start from small to bigger. So these are all the different types of team building activities.